Have you ever heard that milk, even without anything added, can become real cheese? No rennet, no yogurt, just milk and time. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Few people know that fresh, real cow's milk already has everything it needs to turn into cheese. Milk naturally contains bacteria and proteins that, when given the right temperature and time, start fermentation on their own. That's exactly why I'm not adding anything today. I pour 5 liters of fresh cow's milk into a container and leave it in a warm place at room temperature. Many people think that milk will spoil like this, but the truth is that quality milk doesn't spoil. It separates. The fat and proteins bind and create cheese, while the liquid slowly separates. After a while, the milk just thickens and forms cheese. It's the same process that people used hundreds of years ago, before industry and additives. Now comes the next step. In a separate container, I prepare boiling water and add 1 tablespoon of salt to it. I cut the cheese that is formed in the pan into cubes, then pour the salty boiling water over it and heat it gently. At that moment, you can clearly see how the whey separates from the cheese. The cheese becomes firmer, more elastic, and ready to be squeezed. After that, I strain the cheese and leave it to drain overnight. Only the next day do we get cheese that is completely ready to eat. Another important thing. This method works best with fresh, homemade, or unpasteurized milk because such milk has a living structure and the natural power to turn into cheese on its own. And now I'm interested in your experience. Have you ever made cheese without rennet? How do you let the milk ferment? Write to me in the comments. Every homemade method is worth its weight in gold. Subscribe to the channel, and until the next video, best regards.